Welcome to Venezia.
Hello folks, this is Dante here, and I'm taking my daughter on a boat ride. But first I'm going to stop in one of my favorite churches in Venice. This is Chiesa degli Scalzi, or Santa Maria of Nazareth. It's a Roman Catholic church, Carmelite church in Venice.
We are going to an island called Murano where they make glass. Wanna see how glass is made?
That's our hotel, the Best Western Continental. Totally recommended.
Venezia.
Now, to go to Murano, we took a private taxi, and that will run you about 60 euros for two people. But public transportation, it will be 7 euros and 50 cents, and it takes about 25 minutes to get there. This beautiful monument on the left, this is the Abbey of Mercy, Abbazia della Misericordia. Now, it's a prestigious sculpting school. So what do you do in Murano? Mainly, you go to see how the glass is made. I told my daughter, let's just walk for a little bit before we enter a store. But of course, she had to enter the first store she saw as soon as we got off the boat.
And you see, this is the material. This is a special sand. These kind of elements are glass beads.
The green one, look. See how he added the green?
Mini marshmallows inside of the big marshmallows.
Ah.
And then I can eat.
Well, I'm glad she liked the presentation, did pay attention.
Quanti anni hai?
Just learned how glass is made.
So now it's time for a break, and it's early enough for me to enjoy a cappuccino. So after a couple of hours in Murano, and because I don't the poop money, we take the public transportation back to the main island. It remembers the number 3, and again, it's about 7 euros and 50 cents. You can pay either on the boat or just buy your tickets at any tobacco place. Returning to the main island on public transportation, it's a little bit longer, but you can still enjoy the views. And if the traghetto is not that full, it's just as a wonderful experience as going in a private taxi. Well, not really, but you know what I mean. That's all for today, folks. Please click like and subscribe, or click like many times. Let's see if out of the 5 people that watch this video, including my mom, I can make at least $3 in the next 10 years. Have a good time, guys. And remember, the word of the day is